What is up, everyone? So today, by the title of the video, you guys know my kooky shows up. My Kauki, my kooky, whatever you want to pronounce it. My silver moss 1997 Nissan 240SX, like my dream S14. So happy about this car. And well, we went to Florida like a month ago, picked it up in Tampa, dropped it off at LZ's, and it's been in the process of getting shipped up here ever since. And well, today it finally shows up. I am just so freaking excited. So, I actually have to run because I have an appointment somewhere, so I will be gone when it gets dropped off. So we're gonna leave the camera to RJ, and well, let's see what he thinks.
Well, I was just looking at memes in the office, and guess what?
What's up?
Our boys are here, and they got a new whip. Oh, snap. So I haven't seen it in person before,
No,
so I've never seen the color.
It's really clean for a 240.
I like that emphasis there. Wow, this is a crazy color.
But John put a lot of emphasis on this bumper we brought for you.
Yeah.
So,
I think, honestly, Jimmy would be more upset if something happened to this than that.
Oh, I heard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This thing is gnarly looking. And not in a bad way, I mean that in a good way. Wow.
There's like no rust underneath it either.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. I'm blown away by the color. It's very confusing. It's so cool. I love it. All right. Yeah, let's get it off the trailer so I can go do some donuts in it.
Oh, yeah?
No, I'll get yelled at. Oh, Jimmy. You got a lot more work to do on that thing, bud, before that thing goes on. Whoop! Nope.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
It's clear now. Yeah. It's just the lip. You guys have probably seen 100 clips of this from Jimmy when he went to Florida, but here's a couple more. You're not going to be excited to see one of these clips.
Why? What happened?
You can look at it at 2 in the morning when you edit.
Does it get sketchy pulling off or something?
I'll let you find out.
Yes.
Anyways, how was your gynecologist appointment?
Oh, get out of here.
I haven't been in an S14? I don't think so. I really like this interior. I like these like driver-oriented dash vents and stuff. This is cool. It's like tight, but not claustrophobic. Good choice, Jim. I'm a big fan of this. This is dope. I can't wait for this thing to get the LS swap.
All right, so I've been running around like crazy today, so I haven't really got to look at it yet, but first glance, it is just so weird to see this thing in here. The last time we saw this, we were in Florida. It was beautiful out with Adam, and probably what's weirder about it is the fact that the color isn't either black nor red. So it kind of sticks out quite crazy in here. What do you think?
I love it. It's good seeing her here.
Right?
One piece.
Isn't it so nice not to see a black or red car in here?
It's a really good color to not be black and red.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Man, what do we do with this thing? Do we get, I mean, it's winter time, so we really can't drive it, so we might as well just rip it apart.
Immediately back it outside and do a burnout.
What was that?
I think you should immediately back it outside and do a burnout. I'll do it.
Get out of here.
Come on, real quick.
No.
Come on.
No.
Real quick. What time is it?
It's open diff, so it's so
It's almost
I don't even want to disrespect this car by watching a video of it do an open diff burnout.
I agree. That's why I've never done one in my car.
Yeah, that's why, Donnie, that's why. So, it's hard because I think I want to instantly rip this thing apart because we have plans for it. We talked about this forever ago. I didn't really tell them what, but.
They don't know what it is?
No, I haven't told them what I'm doing with it yet.
I can't wait for that argument in the comments.
Jeez.
We talked about it before. We're gonna steal the drivetrain out of this thing for the stanky, right? We're gonna pull it out, drop it in there. We'll be good to go. We're not putting an LS in this car. Stop.
In the comments about that.
Steve, just beat his ass now.
No LS's. You wanna go?
I agree.
That's
with
it,
that.
dude. Kick to the nuts. No LS's.
We got to pull the drivetrain out, and it's killing me because I just got this car up here, and I want to enjoy it, but it's so gross out, it's not even worth it. So, I feel like we could just pull it today, but I really don't, I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling super lazy today, and I'm gonna admit it to the camera, and I don't wanna pull it today. So let's pull it tomorrow. That sound good?
I'm not gonna be here, so have fun.
All I have to say is huge shout out to the Vargas brothers. They grabbed it from Adam for me, brought it up to Virginia, and then they had their buddy Tom actually trailer it up the rest of the way. So huge shout out to Tom and the Vargas brothers, and well, Adam for storing it for me. I am just super thankful to have this car and have it up here.
Yeah, thanks to them for also somehow finessing us into dropping off some merch to Tommy.
I got Tommy's merch. I guess this is like overstock that Adam had of Tommy's merch. So I'm gonna grab one of these. Thank you, Tommy. Anyone want some Tommy merch?
This right here.
There's a dumpster out back.
No.
Tommy, send your new receptionist down here, the cute redhead.
Gotta christen it, RJ.
No, don't disrespect the merch, all right? Tommy, we'll bring this up to you soon. You helped me out a lot with the RV. It runs great.
Sounds great.
Sounds good. We just need the photo. Oh, that's so good to see. Dude, I cannot believe this car is here. It's literally messing with my head that like, not only do I own this thing, but it's like,
It just doesn't feel right?
it feels too right. It feels so at home. Dude, those chassis are so beautiful.
So good. There's nothing better.
Nothing better. I love it so much.
$13, $14, $15. We're all next to each other.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel so guilty doing this right now, but it's wintertime. And we gotta get stuff done so we can get right to work, so
What's that word? Deflowering? Yeah, we're gonna deflower it.
love that. But I'm not doing it today, I feel like crap, so I'm going home, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Alright, so this is the new heart for the Stanky Zanky. We talked about this. If you guys were listening, we talked about this. So, we were taking this entire drivetrain and just dropping it to the Stanky Zanky because we aren't using it on this vehicle, and, well, she needs it. The old engine was crusty. We don't really know any history about it. It could be good. We're not gonna really take that chance. We know this thing is great. It looks beautiful, doesn't smoke, and it runs awesome. So, we're gonna drop it in the Stanky Zanky and let it live on, right?
Yeah, I mean, this thing is obviously way cleaner.
Yeah, way cleaner. I mean, you still got the zinc on here. We will be taking almost everything from the radiator to the drive shaft and shoving it in that car. The only thing we're not utilizing is, well, the engine harness because it's different, because different year chassis. So hopefully by the end of the day, this thing is either near or inside that car. So, Sumo, you feeling handy today, buddy?
Give me a wrench, let's do it.
Good for you,
Yeah,
Sumo.
you gotta
I
pull
like
this
the
thing out.
attitude.
You gotta do this and this, yeah, okay.
No, leave that. That stays.
Yeah, that's the whole point of that. Yeah.
Yep. Sumo, go back and stand on the jack.
Oh, dude, it's loose. That's awesome.
Love that.
What are you trading?
All
right, hold on. Let's give her.
Sun's leaking pretty good in here. There's oil all over down here and on the radiator. I don't know what made it go over there. We're thinking we might have to do a front main seal on this thing. I guess we'll find out when we take it out.
Freaking rust protection, dude. That's nice.
It's nice. Yeah, some people pay for that. So it's going pretty smoothly. We got most of this stuff off. I don't know what Brian's doing back there.
Trying to do the heater core lines.
Oh yeah, thank you. I don't want to do those. But even the exhaust bolts come off. So this is really nice. Everything's coming off smooth. Just filthy. Like, I'm really surprised. I'm a little upset that I took it apart before Steph could even see it together.
I know. This is my favorite color, so it works out. It's like the same thing. Same thing.
Yeah, of course.
Have you seen the inside, Jimmy? Very nice.
Yeah, I have, yeah. You like it?
Yeah, I do. Like, this thing is really cool.
So, I just forgot, we did have a transmission in the trunk and we had a diff in the trunk. What's great about the transmission is KA transmissions are getting kind of hard to get, and I wouldn't mind an extra one from Nissan because we'll probably blow that apart one day. And the diff is actually an LSD, which is fantastic because I really need one for the 33, and this will fit right in
You
it.
just keep consolidating.
That's what it's all about.
You know, you're just buying a bucket of stuff to just sprinkle everywhere.
That's what I'm saying. We got hooked up, right? We got the Stanky got an engine for an Honda. This got an extra transfer in a Honda. Got a diff for the 33. Got a drivetrain for the Stanky. The world keeps going.
Do you think that there's people that actually keep track of all of these things? Because I can't, and I listen to you every day.
Present surprise, I guess not, because I knew it was nice, but it's actually beautiful under here. Didn't even have to sit in a field for 10 years.
No.
Oh, that makes me so happy. Right, check this out. From 2-inch to 3. Do you see? Look at this.
Oh my, yeah.
It works. I see them for it, but it's just hilarious.
No, I can't say I haven't done that.
Yeah, we've all made that. Oh, I love it. All right, so typical stuff. Exhaust got to come down. Drive shaft's got to come out. And then besides that, engine mounts, we're good to go. One. There we go. Nice, one piece. I've never seen this before. Like, look how nice the undercoating is. Didn't even know they did this. We don't get it like this.
That looks really nice. I think this was definitely either done at a dealership or this is totally factory.
Definitely a Southern car. So nice, dude. It looks like someone painted all this stuff. What's nice too is, right, the Stanky Zanky's a Southern car, and we're putting Southern parts back on it, so I don't feel like if we were taking crusty ass like Northeast parts and putting on that car, I'd feel guilty. But Florida car needs Florida parts. Oh, right, what was that?
It's going really fast!
He tilts it back.
There's a lot on that, huh?
No, it's typical amount. I would say that's the average. It's all right. Everything's great. This tran's probably mid. It doesn't grind, so when you drain an SR trans, you get chunks every time. This one is just a little mucky. I won.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Buys lift,
Guess
still
what?
does it on the floor.
Forgot the shifter. You called
Every
it.
time.
Boom. There we go. All right.
You boys. All right, chugging along. We basically disconnected everything. Well, we're gonna find out pretty quickly. Pretty good to me. I just gotta set the back down.
What the hell?
What the hell is that?
Motor mount.
Motor mount.
Here we go. Perfect. Well, it looks like we didn't forget anything.
That's good news.
Keep yakking it up.
Yak her up. There we go, boys. Oh, and
Lower her down for me. Just right there. Perfect. And just like that, my beautiful little kooky that ran yesterday no longer runs. We have a sitting shell. So honestly, it looks more like a 240 right like this, right?
yeah.
This is what I'm used to.
I mean, to get where you want to go, you got to go back a few steps.
100%, but we got it. So no surprises. That's good. Frame rails look super clean. They don't look twisted. No rust. Just really filthy.
It looks really good. It almost looks like how the import cars come in.
Really happy with the drivetrain. It's just filthy. So wasn't planning on it, but it looks like we got to power wash this thing. Get a fresh, clean start. I think I have a front main seal sent around somewhere. So change that out, and we should be good to go. This is a new heart for the Stanky. And now we have a nice blank slate for the kooky for something way freaking cooler than this.
way cooler.
Oh, you poor thing. I feel so guilty about this. But hey, just how it goes. It's the life of, well, being a car guy, I guess, right? Right?
We got it.
Yeah, you said right. So overall, this thing is actually beautiful. I've never seen a trans in such good condition. It's all good. It's just this immense amount of look at the alternator. It's not supposed to be that. It's so soaked.
Is that supposed to be silver? That looks bad.
Yeah, real bad. So
Yeah,
take it in for a little before, because it's hard to tell when I'm power washing. All right, a little before, and then after. You want to do it?
Yeah.
No, you'll get filthy.
No, I want to.
You're gonna ruin that.
I will not.
All right.
I will not. All right, what am I doing?
Cleaned up really good. Tell it got a lot of work done to it like not too long ago. The front main seal must have just been pissing real bad and got it covered everything, because underneath, I mean, even the block is painted black. Like, look how beautiful it is. Like, the motor looks I'm really happy with this. Like, this came out amazing. This is gonna look so good inside the S14. We painted all the accessory brackets and the block, so props whoever owned this car before me and did all that work. I see you. I appreciate you appreciating this engine. Not a lot of people do enough of that, you know? You know, it's a high miles engine, but never smoked and it looks beautiful, so I think this is very, very fitting for the Stanky. So this engine comes on an OBD2 system. The 95 is OBD1, so there's a couple less things, like all this EGR stuff and whatnot we can get rid of before we put it in. And should be good to go.
Nice job, boy. You should have a DJ polish this up.
Nope.
No?
Nope. So the engine cleaned up, man, I'm super happy. But of course, since the engine is dirty, that means the engine bay is also filthy. Just take it in how actually disgusting this thing is in terms of grease and grime. Yeah, whatever. Just means for a better transformation, right? Let's get all this stank out of the kookie.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Well, let's get all the dookie out of the kookie. There we go. I'm in there. So I feel like I've been doing nothing but power washing things for like the last week, but we gotta do it. All this stuff is grimy and it's really worth it. So the bay cleaned up absolutely amazing. I mean, I'm not surprised. It's really, really refreshing to have something that's not like dented, dinged, rusted or whatever. It's just dirty. And like I said before, I probably won't be using anything from this engine bay for the plans of this car, which we will announce soon. The last thing we need from this bay though is the heater hose lines. I need these for the Stanky because the ones on the Stanky are either chewed on or just cut from me. So besides that, you guys saw, I cannot believe the engine and trans cleaned up this well. I mean, look at it. This is beautiful. The trans, I've never seen one so clean. The Valcor paint looks awesome. Like whoever had this motor before me did a really good job with it. They painted the block, painted all the accessories, and all that happened was the front main was leaking, so it covered everything and just oil. And so we'll change that tomorrow and get it in the car. I really want to put it in tonight, but I gotta go home and edit this video. It takes a while, so I'm just really happy. I'm really happy that we have such a nice, I didn't even realize the engine in trans was this nice. So it's gonna be awesome to have a really, really nice drivetrain for this car. She deserves it. It's gonna look so good with just a beautiful KA right in this thing. Kind of wish I had different radiator hoses because the blue is kind of ugly, but whatever. We'll use what we got. So put in, get a new harness on Monday, and hopefully this car will be a running, driving car very soon. We still got to put a manual pedal in it, but whatever. So I can only imagine a lot of guys are screaming at me for already ripping apart the Kooky, but we got big plans and we got to constantly keep making progress. We got a lot of stuff ahead of us, and well, I'm just excited. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys very shortly.